Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming for Beginners. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download 8 Ball Pool. So let's begin. First of all, open your Play Store application. Now here on the right bottom you can see the search icon. Tap on the search icon. Now here on the top at the search bar, search 8 Ball Pool. Now it has appeared on the top. So make sure that this is the right one. Tap on this and verify using this logo and this miniclip.com. So after this you can tap on install. It will take some time as it is of 96 MB. So 8 Ball Pool is a game of multiplayer where you can connect with your friends and play online also. It is the game of pool which is very popular and interesting. You can even play with your Facebook friends and add a lot of friends. At last you can open and play it easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.